Hi, this is Steve from SewingGold.com. This was a question asked by someone on YouTube about how to install uh, a synchronizer on their 5530 Juki. So this 8700 is virtually identical to a 5530. So what we've done here is we've taken this bracket. This is the only bracket you're really going to need if you have the reliable 6000 SM. This bracket, so what we've done is we've bent it. As you take a look at this, there's no scientific way to bend this, so we mark this one 8700, and on the back we mark where we want the screws on the back of the machine to go, which I'll show you in a second. This one we've bent a little differently because this is for an 1181. So I'm going to pause this and come around, and then I'm going to show you the back of the machine. So the way we have this set up here, if you could see this, but then I'll show you on the back of the machine. I can't go through an entire setup of this, but I'll show you on the back. Okay, so taking a look at the back now, you can see that piece that we had bent over here, and then we've removed the screws. So you see there's all these screws on the back of this Juki here. So we removed these two screws that hold on this back plate and then just replace them, putting the bracket on here. Now sometimes you have to drill bigger holes in this bracket. Sometimes these holes don't exactly line up. And there are occasions that we don't use a screw like on another machine that I've got, not this 8700. But your 5530 should be the same, a 5550, 8100. All of them should be the same with bending this bracket and then putting those screws on. And that will hold your synchronizer in place. Okay, hope that helps. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. Thank you.